Welcome to the last genetics video. Today we are studying the phylogenetic tree of alcohol. Alcohol, too, has had an interesting path of evolution to arise the many different types of spirits and liquors that we have today. Each type of alcohol we see on the tree is an OTU, or Operational Taxonomic Unit. This could be thought like the species of alcohol that have evolved across the many years. This tree is a graphical representation of a long and detailed history. Back many years ago, a Mr. Alcohol developed a new product, grappa. He was so pleased with this beverage that he said it was going to be remembered forever as alcohol. Grappa is a bare bones type of alcohol that has no flavoring, no added sugar, and no color. Grappa since then has been known as the outgroup. This is the roots of the tree and will serve as the common ancestor to all future alcohols. The distance between OTUs is specific and branch length will be all in respect to the outgroup. We are traveling on this horizontal line, which shows anagenesis, the evolution over time of a certain species. So, as grappa got more popular, people were interested in enhancing its alcohol content and were even trying to change its flavor from something different than, gasoline. Then came the moment of cladogenesis, where there was a splitting of one lineage into two. At this point in history, dark alcohol was created and derived from the clear alcohol lineage. The first dark liquor descendant from grappa is only known and as a legend as Darka. Darka broke off from grappa and started its own lineage. From there, it would further evolve to be created at high and low sugar contents. This is an internal node in the tree. Every branch will exhibit an internal node where there is a point of cladogenesis. From the less sugary dark liquor came the first whiskey. From there, companies like Jack Daniels have curated their best traditional whiskey, and other companies like Bailey's have curated their own whiskey that has hints of Irish cream flavoring. The highly sugary dark liquors went through a similar evolution, where angiogenesis led to the branching point of where brandy had evolved. The original brandy is the most recent common ancestor to the now available Hennessy brandy, which is a more traditional brandy, called cognac, which split from Paul Mason's peach-flavored brandy. The black OTUs are terminal nodes and represent what is available present day. Blue names, however, are alcohols of the past that are no longer available but have a descendant that is still here today that you can trace on this tree. But whatever happened to those clear liquors? Where do you think they wound up today? Well, the light liquor makers saw how great it worked out for the dark liquors to make lower and higher sugar levels in their drink, and they did just that. Less sugary light liquors became the first vodka to be made. From there, more classic vodkas have been tackled by Tito's, and other companies have gotten adventurous, like UV Blue. Here, the divergence of traits happened with the product's color. And finally, clear liquors with high sugar contents generated the first rum. The traditional lists of our time can be thought of as Bacardi, and more rebellious rum makers have an established lineage as well. Malibu is a current-day tropical-themed rum that you can find at any liquor store. So congrats, you made it through the history of alcohol and Genetics 311. Remember to only celebrate with alcohol if you are of drinking age, and let's make history.